Oh yeah, look at the egg, buddy. Hey, don't touch my hash browns. Don't touch my hash browns, homeboy. Don't touch my hash browns. Okay? Don't mess with my hash browns, yeah.
It's like baked egg.
And guess what? Why my eggs cooking? Because this is a quick dish, guys. It's easy. This one's easy, okay? So while my eggs cooking, I grab my little chipotle sauce, Ryan sauce, okay? Even though it's a breakfast dish, may just get a little bit in there, okay? You want it nice and delicious. Ooh, that's perfect. Woo!
They're so yellow.
Yeah, man, it's good eggs. It's good eggs, son. Okay, now I got here a hash brown, right? Let's give this a nice little cut. You know, you make it work. You break up my hash brown. I don't put the whole thing in. I want to spread it out, you know what I mean? Okay. Let's grab some eggs. And let's slap that in there.
Damn.
Eggs are good.
Yes,
some
sir.
Sexy eggs, homeboy. That's what I'm talking about, girls. If you want breakfast, all at your boy. So they call me Mr. Eggs. Okay, now we get a little bit of bacon in here, okay? Ooh. A little bit more bacon. I just realized I'm missing something, guys. I'm missing something. I need right here some cheese. Okay? Can't have a dish like this with no cheese. Okay? Can't have a dish like this with no cheese. You need cheese everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. And guys, look at it. I going heavy with the bacon. I got 4 strips in here. Okay? What do they call me? The Baconator. Now what? This cheese is more melty, okay, which is why I like to include that. This is definitely more melty cheese. Melt your heart away, okay? Oh yeah! Let's put one here. Let's put another one here. Oh, these perfect. These line up perfectly.
Look at that.
Look at this, man. It's a circle. Look.
Nice.
Look at the circle. Look at the circle, homeboy. Look at the circle. These perfect. Okay. Who's this? Mission. Love what you did there. Now I come behind with another smaller tortilla to cover this up, right? And now I can come over and fold this over. Fold it over. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. In real time, son. Perfect. You put down the open side first. And you let it heat up. Okay, guys. Okay, let's look. Remember now, you go with the closed side first. Oh, sealed, homeboy. Sealed. Okay. Sealed. Seal of approval. Okay, guys. Is she done? Ta-da! Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the color. Nice.
Nice and brown. Oh yeah. Oh, listen to the bacon and chips. Look at this, homeboy. Look at this. Let's put this on the plate now. See the hash brown and everything in there? Bring in my little secret sauce. Oh, you're good.
Nice.
And there you have it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. My little crunch wrap. You see all the wetness of that cheese, homeboy? That's what I tell you. You got to get your cheese. The wetness of cheese. Oh. The bacon's so crunchy. Stay delicious.